Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by ensuring the app and account are ready. Once done, make sure you have granted required permissions so features work. Open the app and go directly to the circle tool. You want search mode selected. Next, place your finger or cursor at the center point you intend to scan, tap and drag outward to define the circle radius, and watch the guideline appear. This first movement both defines scope and primes the algorithm. Take a steady, deliberate sweep to capture accurate results. Once the circle is drawn, refine the radius to focus results. Pinch to zoom, numeric entry, or on-screen slider will tighten the search area. Then apply filters, for example date range, file type, or relevance, because targeted constraints reduce noise and speed up processing. You should preview highlighted matches within the circle to verify coverage. If items are missing, expand or shift the circle slightly. As you iterate, balance radius size against filter strictness. To convert, you now run the full search and inspect the returned items. Make sure to save, export, or tag any results immediately so you don't lose them. If the outcome isn't right, use undo or redraw to tweak circle placement and rerun. Small adjustments often fix boundary misses. Finally, if nothing appears at all, check permissions, loosen filters, and restart the app. A quick cache clear or device restart can resolve persistent detection failures. One troubleshooting tip: confirm the search scope isn't set to 0 or an unintended folder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.